Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, it's time for a quick burst of maths. We've been practicing Subitising, and that's when we see the number of dots on a die without even counting them. Today, let's look at different dots that we don't see on dice. You'll see the dots pop up for a short time, and it's your job to say the number that you see. Ready? How many dots can you see? 6, 8, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 6, 5, 9. Great Subitising! Well, that was quick, and we were done in a click.